Guys, in this video, we're going to uh, explain about the how to enable Windows subsystem Linux in the Windows. So which will help us to install Linux-based operating system in Windows directly. No need to install any virtual box or virtual machine to install Linux-based operating systems. So for this, there is a few prerequisites to install WSL in Windows. The first thing is the Windows version should be greater than 10, greater than or equals to 10. So either 10 or more than 10. So you can install both 10 and 11. But in the 10, there is some other prerequisites. The product version, the OS build version should be greater than 19041. So you have to check these things before enabling the WSL in Windows. So if you want to check these things in Windows 10, so go to Windows R, how to run WinVer. You can get the product version of the OS version. So if you see the OS build should be this the one, so it is the greater than 9041. So once you check the prerequisites, you can go and enable the WSL. So for that, to go to the control panel, programs, program features. Here you can check on turn Windows features on or off. Here you have to enable this Windows subsystem for Linux. This will previously it was unchecked, so I checked this one to enable the Windows subsystem for Linux. Once we check this one, it will ask for the restart the system, so the changes will be applicable once the system is restarted. So after enabling that, go to the Microsoft Store. So here you can install um required software from the Microsoft Store. So search for the Ubuntu. So you can install Ubuntu directly from Microsoft Store. See, it has installed. You can open this. It will take some time to set up the things. Um, so once you have to give the name. So it will take the username here and password. Once you have set these things, it will set up the Ubuntu software in Windows. No need to install any virtual box or virtual machine to install Ubuntu in Windows. You can run all the Linux based system. You can install any software inside this Ubuntu now. So for this, you can install another one to work more efficiently with this Ubuntu. You can run a number of sessions with this Ubuntu. You have to install terminal for that. You can download the terminal also from the Microsoft Store and search for the terminal. Yeah, it's a Windows terminal is there, so it will help us to work more efficiently with the Ubuntu operating systems by using this terminal. So once it has downloaded, just open it, and here by default it will open the PowerShell. Here you have to set the configurations. You can see the drop down here. You can go here. You can select which one has to open by defaultly. Now by default it will be the Windows PowerShell. You can select for the command prompt, or you can select for the other operating system Ubuntu. For example, you have new this Ubuntu. You can select the Ubuntu. You can run a number of sessions next time when you open. Okay, let's go to the settings. Here you have to use which one you have to open by defaultly. So save those changes. So once you save those changes, Whenever you open the session, it will by default open the Ubuntu session here. Okay, thank you.